What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, your boy got another freaking banger video for you guys. All right, today is a day. Come in here, guys. Look at this. So your boy just received a 72-volt battery. Let's go ahead and take it out so you guys can take a look at what it looks like. Let's go. We have a 72-volt battery. It's a 17.5 amp hour. I don't know the watt hours. I'll have to do the math. I'll put it up on screen. That's how many watt hours we have on this battery. But yeah, this is a big boy. I don't know if you guys can tell. This joint is heavy as hell, dog. So my idea for this battery, I actually got it from my Electric XP because I want to make it even faster. Of course, why not, right? But I also ordered a motor to actually handle this because I don't think the stock Electric XP motor can handle this size of a battery. Like, it will fry it, you know what I'm saying? But what we can do, since I haven't received the motor yet, we're gonna put this on my dad's DIY bike right over there. Boom. And we're gonna see how fast this puppy can get the bike. As you guys can see, my dad has a full suspension bike, which means he has suspension in the front and suspension in the rear. So this is one of the reasons why we originally had to mount his battery up top right here. So it's the same with this one. This 72-volt battery. What is going on over there? This 72-volt battery is not going to be able to fit in the triangle because that's where it's supposed to go, in this like triangle here. There's no room. So I'm just going to makeshift it, and I'm going to mount it right on top of the joint. It's going to look crazy as hell, but it's going to work. Boom. There is the battery. That's how we're going to mount it on the bike. Hey, I know it looks crazy as hell, but dude, trust me, it's going to work. And it's not always about looks. Right, Jane? With your freaking red bone. It's all looks. It has no power though. We, on the other hand, have tremendous power. Okay, so that's how we're mounting it. Look at the straps. It looks crazy as hell. But look, it's secure. And I'm gonna hold it with my leg as I ride. I'm not gonna be able to pedal, obviously, because it's just too big. But we're gonna see how fast we can get this puppy going. All right, guys, we just pulled into the designated spot where we film all our top speed videos. We are at the famous canal right here in beautiful Marietta/Temecula. We're gonna see how fast this puppy can get. If you recall, the last time we did a top speed video on this bike, I think we hit probably 35 miles per hour. I'll put up a clip right now. 33, easily. There it is, there it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. 34. There it is. Give me that 35. Give me the 30 freaking 5. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. 35. Come on. There it is. So as you guys can see, this bike was already capable of hitting 35 miles per hour. So in theory, with the 72-volt battery, this joint should be hitting at least 40, right? So we're going to find out today. And let's just get into it. Here is a throttle only top speed test, flat ground. Here it is. Let's go. $35, $36, $37, $38. We're approaching an uphill little slope right here. $40, $41. I saw $41. We're at 41, 42. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah. I like the way that feels. I'm not gonna even lie. I like the way that feels. Ooh, wee. The power. It even feels like it has like a little bit more acceleration too. Let's go ahead and see acceleration test. Let's do 0 to 20, and then I'll also do 0 to 30. Let's turn around. And guys, I'm not even tucking on these. Like, imagine if I actually was tucking, how fast I can get. I think I could probably push like 45 miles per hour. I'm just putting it out there. All right, we're gonna do the acceleration test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. $20, $30, right there. There's 30. It's a lot of wind resistance, I'm not gonna lie. When you get past 30 miles per hour, dude, the wind is like fighting you. You can feel it pushing you back. So yeah, on the speedometer, I think the max we hit was what, 41, 42? I'm gonna pull out the GPS app on my phone so we can really see how fast this bike can get, all right? Here's a top speed test, flat ground, throttle only, 72 volts. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo, shit. Woo, woo, that's scary. That is scary, dude. Oh my God. All right, so on the speedometer, it said 41. And then you guys saw what it was on the phone app. Dude, now I'm not gonna lie. Nobody should be going 40 miles per hour on a regular bike, okay? I'm just gonna put it out there. Dude, but I had to try it out, right? Dude, like, you know how it is when you get that need for speed. You always want something faster, stronger, you know? Your boy had to do it, and now that I did it, I will never be hitting 40 miles per hour on this bike ever again, okay? But like I said, this battery is actually for my electric XP. I'm still waiting for the kit to come. Hopefully it'll come within the next couple of weeks. And as soon as it comes, your boy will be dropping the video on the installation, also doing the top speed test, because I'm curious to see if the 20-inch wheels will affect the speed, because right now this bike is a 29-incher, so we'll see about that. But yeah, stay tuned, turn on them notifications, hit the subscribe button, and like the video if you found it entertaining. That's the end of the joint. Until the next video, deuces like that.